Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create different border shapes on CapCut PC. So I'm going to select this video, and I'm going to also select like a plain color, and I'm going to put that on top. Going to go to mask, and select circle and scale it, and then I'm going to okay, I'm just going to leave it like this. Right click, create compound clip, and select the mask circle again and select reverse. And I'm just going to can I scale it up? Oh, I can. Scale it up again, like so. And on this video I'm going to select circle, and I'm going to create this. And then I'm going to move it to the side, and I'm going to also scale it down a little bit so I can fit the other frames. Then I'm going to select a different video. Let's say this one. Oops. Okay. And I'm going to put it here. I might put it on top of the circle one here though. Yeah. I'm going to put it to the side, and I'm going to add in another plain background. I'm just going to use this purple one, and I'm going to select mask, and I'm just going to choose this star shaped one, and then I'm going to again right click, create compound clip, and then I'm going to select the star button and press the reverse one, and it creates this like cool star frame. And for this one I'm going to just adjust it to make it smaller, and then I will add in the star mask and kind of shape it to the frame, and I can just group them. I'm just going to group these as well, so when I move it, it stays in the same place. And lastly, we are going to do the heart one. Just going to use this flame, this fire, put it on top of those, and then I will just move it to the side, maybe like scale it down. Then I'm going to choose this pink one as the frame. So go to mask and select heart. Just move it here, and then right click, create compound clip, and select the heart shape again. Select reverse. Just put it there, and then select this one and put it behind, and select the heart shape again. Sorry about my voice, by the way. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!